Hi, this is Hansa. Now today we will start exercise 5.2 of class 10 mathematics. We know in previous class A is the first term, means A1 and A2. Exercise 5.2 class 10th. A1, A2, A3 and A4, whereas A1 is the first term, means A1 which represented A2 is represented A plus D, A3 is represented A plus 2D. Similarly, AN is the last term, N is last term which is represented by L, and it is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This will be the last term, and the formula which we will use in this exercise, that will be AN, which is our last term. And now here is AN is the last term. AN is last term which is represented by L also. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, whereas A is first term, D is common difference, and N is number of terms. And what is the common difference? Common difference, how we can calculate the common difference? Number of terms, and common difference we will find out by difference between the two consecutive number. D is the common difference which we calculate the difference between two consecutive number, that will be D. If it is mentioned in question, if which term is mentioned in question, means list, please keep this point, means AN is given and N to be find, means if the question will ask which term, means we have to find out which term, that means AN is given to us, and we have to find out N. अगर हमें पूछा गया है कि क्वेश्चन के अंदर which term, तो in that case the AN is given to us, AN is given and we have to find out. N means which term we have to find out. If the question is given which term is 0, which term is 0, means AN equal to 0, we will apply AN is equal to 0. Note this main point which will used in this exercise. These are the main point, and one point is also you have to note it down, and that will be, if it is given which term is the first negative number. Third point, which term is first negative number. First negative number, which term is the first negative number, means AN is always less than 0. From here we will calculate or to find N. We will find N. From here we have to find out N. Which term is first negative, means AN is less than 1, and from this way we will find out N. When we put AN is less than 0, because all the negative terms are less than 0. Note it down fast. Now if the in statement question, in statement question, given more, increase, increase, and we will use plus. If it is less, decrease, or exceed, we will use minus. Exceed is used for plus as well as for minus. All helping verb in English, all helping verb for all helping verbs used equal to, जितनी भी helping verb है in mathematics और in statement question we will use equal to. And now let's start question number first. And some question I will give you, you do yourself. Exercise first question, and this first question, fill in the blank or in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term of an AP. It is mentioned A is first term, it is mentioned, and D is common difference, and AN is the nth term, whereas of an AP, nth term of an AP. And the first question, and that will be first part, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, AN is question mark. This is the first part of first question. It means we have to find out AN, that means AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Simply we know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here N is 8, mean here is A and N mean 8. It means A, N mean 8 is equal to, what is A? 7 plus bracket, what is N? Here is N is equal to 8 minus 1 into D is 3. N is 8, here is 8 is equal to A is 7 plus N is 8 minus 1 D is 3. We will put the value, then we get A8, 7 plus 8 minus 7 into 3. A8 is equal to 7 plus 21. A8 is equal to 28. It is our AN. And now I will again second part. What is second part here? A is equal to minus 18, A is equal to minus 18, D is question mark, N is equal to 10, and AN is equal to 0. And then find D. I am giving you 1 minute time to solve it. Try to solve it within 1 minute. You have to try to solve within 1 minute. We have to apply simply formula. Here is AN. AN is equal to 0. We apply the formula of this one. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. And now simply put their value. A minus 18 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D. D is question mark is equal to 0. This is minus and that will be here. It will be plus. So 10 minus 1 minus 18 plus 9D is equal to 0. This is negative and that will be positive. 18 will transfer to the right hand side. That means 9D is equal to 18. So D is equal to 18 upon 9, which is equal to 2. So D is equal to 2. Here is the second part. And now Move to third part. Move to fourth part. And the third is same. Fourth part of this question. Here is fourth part. What is given here? A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. N is question mark. And AN is equal to 3.6. That means we know again AN is equal to 3.6. And now find the value of N fast. निकालिए फटाफट. Do it fast. How we can find out the value of N? Do it. AN, we apply formula A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 3.6. What is AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula of AN. Here is A minus 18.9 plus what is N? We don't know. Minus 1 is same. D 2.5 is equal to 3.6. First we will transfer. We will not open the bracket. This will be negative and that will be positive toward the right side. N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 3.6. Here is minus and that will be plus. And after that N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to, we have to add together. That will be 22.5. And then N minus 1. Here is multiply. Toward right side it will divide. 22.5 upon 2.5. Here is decimal, here is decimal. Decimal will cut. N minus 1 is equal to, and that will be cut. It will be 9 times. So N is equal to 9 plus 1. N is equal to 10. It is our answer. This is N. And this is the fourth part of this question. And now move to second question. Please check question carefully. Second question. Second question. Choose the correct. The 38th term. First part. 38th term of the AP. 10, 7, 14. 10, 7, 4, dash, 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 dash is. It means 38th term. This is AP. Here is AP. AP means this is A. A1 is equal to A equal to 10. A2 is equal to 7. This is our first term. This is our second term. And this is third term. A3 is equal to 4. But there is no use of A3 at here. From A1 means A, it is first term. Simply, it is first term. First term means A. This is our first term. First term, which is equal to A. And common difference, D is the common difference. D is common difference. That will be A2 minus A1. D is the common difference. A2 minus A1. What is A2? 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. D is A2 minus A1. 7 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. What we have to find out? 38th term. 38th term means A30. Question mark. A30 is question mark. And we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have to find out A30. A30 means 30 in place of N. 30 in place of N. A plus 30 minus 1 into D. This will be A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1, 29D. Now we have to put the value of A and D. That means A30 is equal to, what is A? A is 10. 10 plus 29, and D, what is D? D is minus 3. And then A30 is equal to 10 plus minus 29 multiply 3, that will be 87. A30 is equal to 10 minus 87, that will be minus 77. It is our answer. So what is our option? The correct option is C. Answer is option is C. Our answer is C. And note it down. Now move to question number 3. And second part, it is similar to the first one. Second question, second part. 11th term, that is same. It is same as, now 11th term of AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 dash 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 dash. 11th term means A11 is question mark. This is A1 means A equal to minus 3. And now A2 is equal to, this is A1, this is A2. A2 is minus 1 by 2. A1 is given to us, A2 is given to us, A11 we have to find out. From A1, A2 we have to find out D. D is A2 minus A1. So that means D is equal to A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus A1 minus 3. Minus plus D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus plus 3. D is equal to, by taking LCM, that answer will be 5 upon 2. It will be 5 upon 2 when we take LCM. How LCM? Minus 1 by 2 plus 3 upon 1. LCM is 2. This will be minus 2 plus 6. 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. This is D. And now what we have to find out? A11. 11 means N. N is equal to 11. N is equal to 11. So A11, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N means 11. A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10 D. And now put the value of A and D. Simply, what is the value of A? A we will put minus 3 and D 5 by 2. A11, what is A? A is minus 3 plus 10. What is D? D is 5 by 2. 5 upon 2. This 2 and 5, 10 will cut. Minus 3 plus 25 is equal to 22. This is A11. It is my answer. And the option is A is equal to 22. Option is B. ऑप्शन इज बी. इसका आंसर क्या है? बी है इसका आंसर. दिस इज आवर सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नोट इट डाउन एंड मूव टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Third question. Here is, in the following AP, the missing number. First part, 2 box 26, and the second part, box 13, box, and this is 3. Here we have to find out this is first term, second term, third term. Means A is equal to 2 and this is A means A1 and this is A2. A2 we have to find out and this is A3. A3 is equal to 26. A1, A2, A3 first term, second term, third term. And we know the formula of A3. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N means 3. A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. But A3 is equal to 26. Here is A3 is equal to 26. A3 means A plus 2D. A3, the formula of A3, A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 26. And now put the value of A. What is A? 2 plus 2 into D is equal to 26. Here is A is equal to 2. Where is A? 2. And what is D? This one. And now 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. That will be 24. D is equal to 12. Here is D is equal to 12. Now D is 12. A is 2 and find A2. Simply you find A2. What is A2? Write its formula and find yourself. Within half minute you have to find out. Fast. Can you do it or not? Do it quickly. Now you know formula of A2 is equal to A plus D. And now A2 is equal to what is A? A is 2. Here is we will put 2 plus D. D is equal to 12. So that means A2 is equal to 14. It is our answer. You can check. A2 is equal to 14. And now move to second part. Here is A1. A1 we have to find out. Here is A2. A2 is 13. And this is A1, A2, A3. A3 is question mark. And here is A4 is equal to 3. Listen carefully. First term means A1. 13 means A2. Blank means A3. A4 means 3. Now here A2, we apply A2. We know A2 is equal to 13 means what is the formula of A2? A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 13. Now simply I will write A plus D. Here is A plus D is equal to 13. This is equation number 1. And now A4. A4 means A plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 3. A plus 4 minus 1, 3, D is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. This is first, this is second. And from equation first and second, we can find out the value of A and D. By which method? From chapter 3. By method of elimination or by method of substitution. You can find by any ways. But here I am solving by the process, by the method of elimination. Here is A plus D is equal to 13 and here is A plus 3D is equal to 3. Equation number first, equation number 3. Sign change. This will cut. And here is D, here is minus 3D. That will be minus 2D is equal to 13 minus 3, 10. Minus 2 multiply, here will be divided. D is equal to 10 upon minus 2. This will be minus 5. So D is equal to minus 5. But we don't know the value of A. It means put the value of D in equation first. Now put D is equal to minus 5 in equation first. In equation first. We will put in equation first. And now what is equation first? A plus D is equal to 13, and here is D is equal to plus minus 5 is equal to 13. A minus 5 is equal to 13. So A is equal to 13. Here is minus, and that will be transfer, will make plus 5. A is equal to 18. A 18, D minus 5, and then we can find out A and here is what we have to find out, this box. A, here is A 1 and here is A 3. A means A1 means A is equal to 18. So this answer is 18. And now here is A3, A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Then A3 is equal to A18 plus 2 into D minus 5. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. A3 is equal to 8. And here is 8. 18, 13, 8, and this is 5, 3. After that, we will move to question number 5, fifth part. And the fifth part is fifth part. This is box and this is 38, and box are 1, 2, 3. 3 box are there. 1, 2, and 3. Here is comma, and last is minus 22. What is this? This is A1. A, we have to find out. This is A2. A2 is equal to 38. A2 is equal to 38. A2 means A plus D is equal to 38. Equation number first. A2 means A plus D. How? A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 2. N is 2. That will be A plus. Here is N. 2 minus 1 into D. 2 minus 1, 1. That is A plus D. And now A1 is equal to A is equal to blank. A2 is equal to 38. A plus D is equal to 38. Here is A3 is question mark. Here is A4 is question mark. Here is A5 is question mark. Here is A6. A6 is equal to minus 22. Means we have to find out A6. A6 means A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. And now what is the value of this is equation second. And now we will solve first and second. By which method? Elimination method. Solve first and second. Solve first and second. What is first? A plus D is equal to 38. Here is A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. This is first and this is second. And sign change. Here is cut. And this is D plus and D minus. Here is minus 4D is equal to 38 is plus and 22 minus. This is plus, this is plus. Both are plus. It will be 60. And now D is equal to 60 upon minus 4. D is equal to minus 15. Here is D is equal to minus 15. And now what do you have to find out? A. That means put the value of D in equation first. Put D is equal to minus 15 in equation first. And now A plus D is equal to 38. And what is A? Minus 15 is equal to 38. A is equal to, here is minus, that will be, move to right hand side, that will be plus. 38 plus 15 is equal to 53. A is equal to 53. That means A is equal to 53 and D is equal to minus 15. From here we will calculate all the values. It means, and now here is, this box is A. A means 53. And we have to subtract minus 15, 53. Here is it. Now, what is this? What will be valued here? This box, A3. We have to find out A3. Here is A3. A3 means A plus 2D. Now put the value of A and D. You know the value of A. What is A? This is A and D. And now we have to find out A4. A4 means A plus 3D. Put the value of A and D. We have to put A and D. And the A5, we have to put A plus 4D. In this way, we can calculate all the blank. And this is A is already 53. And do all the remaining part of question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. All the remaining part you have to complete up to question number 3 and also question number 4. You have to complete up to 3. This is your homework. Thanks for today.